Hi, I'm Craig Thyler, General Manager at ERL and Law Valve of Texas. This is BJ Harris, our Quality Control Manager. Today we will be reviewing the rebuild procedures for an ERL mechanical seal. After confirming the details of the work order, our technician will pre-test the mechanical seal to API 682 specifications and document the test results on our mechanical seal rebuild inspection form. Following the initial test, our technicians will disassemble the mechanical seal and document any significant observations that are made. Once pictures have been taken of the disassembled seal, our technicians will clean the non-wearing components of the seal and prepare them for reinstallation. Now that the non-wearing components have been properly cleaned, our technicians will begin the reassembly process utilizing the OEM specified rebuild procedures. They will replace all of the wearing components, including the O-rings, the spring, as well as both the stationary and rotating faces. Now that the assembly has been completed, our technician will do one final test to API 682 specifications. They will print that test report and include it along with the mechanical seal. The mechanical seal has now passed the OEM test standards and is ready to be shipped to the customer. Some of the many benefits of rebuilding your mechanical seals with ERL and Law Valve is our OEM parts and procedures, our detailed documentation and analysis, and our industry-leading testing capabilities. If you have any questions about ERL mechanical seals or any other ERL and Law Valve services, please contact a member of our sales team or visit us online at lawvalveoftexas.com.